Hey everyone, this is Joe. I thought I'd just check in with you at the beginning of the year here. I get asked a lot, "Hey, look, we're doing good in business, right? We're growing. It's been okay. We've kept the doors open, but we really want to scale from here." And I always get questions like, "How do you do it? Is it sales driven?" Yes. Is it marketing, my place in the community? Sure, all those things are important. New equipment, more employees, whatever, better employees. But I think the most important thing is don't get stuck. We have this I hear this all the time, like, especially if I'm talking to a project manager or, someone that's trying to help advance the company, a shop manager, and they say, "Well, the owner is very committed to just using a whiteboard or just using paper folders or whatever." The thing is, you kinda get stuck in this mindset where, "Hey, we've always done it this way, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it." But sometimes you have to break it to fix it. And so I would just highly recommend take a look at a system like SignTracker, for example, and see how an easy to use, very non-scary system to capture jobs, store your files, do accurate quoting, sync with QuickBooks, and give everybody at the shop access to what's happening so that everyone has a bird's eye view of what's going on in the shop and what they have to do every day. And as an owner, you want the ability to be able to take a little time off to access what's happening at your shop from outside of the shop. And you want other people to be able to do that too. So again, I encourage you, if you're thinking about scaling and you're an owner, focus mostly on systems that will help your team know what they're doing and help you to grow. That's the best advice I could give you for a start of the new year. Other than that, I know you're going to have a great year. It's going to be a great 2026 in the sign industry. Really looking forward to working with you. And if you want to connect with me, obviously through SignTracker and the Behind the Signs community. So if you're on Facebook, join the Behind the Signs community and you can ask questions there about systems and anything else you can think of in the sign industry. Thanks, everyone. Talk to you soon.